Hi, this is Supri from Group 6 and I'm going to explain about our physical model. So, starting with 10 movies, it shows the information about the movies, including title, description, and other attributes. It is connected to the categories, directors, actors, advisories, rentals, and wish lists. The 10 categories table categorizes the movies into different genres or types. It is connected to the movies to indicate the genre or type of movie, and basically all has many-to-many relationship. That's why to solve that relationship we introduced the bridging tables that are 10 movie category, 10 movie advisory, 10 movie director, 10 movie actor, 10 wish lists, and 10 rentals, so as to connect the tables, the parent tables, with each other. The 10 director and 10 actor tables shows the information about the movie directors and actors, including their name, birth dates, and contact details. And they are connected to the movies to indicate who directed or acted in each movie. The 10 advisory table provides the information about parental advisories for movies, and it is linked to the movies to indicate advisory information. The customers table that's below shows information about the customers, okay, and it's connected with the movies using the rentals and wish list to track the customer activities. The 10 rentals that shows the movie rentals, including the rental dates, viewing dates, customer feedback, etc., and it's linked to the movies and the customers so as to track the rental activities. The 10 wish list that shows the movies that customer wish to rent in the future, and it's connected with 10 movies and 10 customer so as to track the customer preferences. And there are the yellow boxes, the constraints that are applied on each table. Talking about the benefits or the interesting features of this data model are the hierarchical, that this model allows movies to be categorized into different genres or types, enabling easier navigation and classification. It also helps in getting detailed information about the actors and directors, as the information is stored in 10 director and 10 actor, facilitating better understanding of movie cast and crew. It also helps in parental advisories, as it provides advisories for movies, helping customers to make informed decisions based on content stability. It also helps in rental tracking, as the rental information is stored in 10 rentals, so it allows for effective tracking of rental activities. It also helps in customer management, as the customer information is stored in 10 customers, so it helps in tracking their rental activities and preferences. Hi, this is Supri, and today I'm going to show my reports and explain about them. So my first report is show all movies that a customer has rented. Use except to input customer name. And this report lists movies rented by a specific customer, which helps customer service representatives or managers in tracking viewing history, providing personalized recommendations, and addressing past rental inquiries. Overall, it provides a clear overview of the customer's viewing history and preferences, helping in quick identification. I'm going to run this code as it's already run here. I'm going to show. So I'm entering Elias Johnson as my customer, whose movie I want to see. That oh, yeah. So Elias Johnson rented 4 movies: Broad, Color Out of Space, Conjuring, and Deja Vu. So the report prompts the users to enter the name of customer, that's Elias Johnson, and after entering the customer's name, the query retrieves all movies rented by that customer, and these are ordered by movie title alphabetically. Moving on, a second report, that is show all customers and the number of times they have appeared in movies. Include actor name and number of movies they have appeared in. Sort by actor name. Only include actors that have appeared in more than one movie. So this report lists retrieves the full name. Basically, it lists the actors with multiple movie appearances, helping users identify the best actors for casting decisions, analyzing their popularity, and assessing diversity in movie cast. I'm going to run this now. So here, the report retrieves the full name of the actors by concatenating the first and the last name, and it also shows it counts the number of movies each actor has appeared in, and it filters out the rows. If the actor has only acted or appeared in one movie, those rows are filtered out, and the result is ordered by actor name. Moving on to a third report, that's rental frequency, in which we need to show category and the movies that fall under that category, and number of times that movie is rented in that category, and total number of rentals in that category, and the grand total of rentals for Void. This report provides overview of rental frequency for movies within different categories, along with total rental statistics for video on demand. It helps users understand the popularity of movies across various categories and assess the demand for Void content. This information can guide or help in inventory management or marketing strategies as well. Now I'm going to run this code. These column category formats are for formatting the rows to have good user readability. Yeah, so this shows like the action category has only one movie, that's the shooter, and it is only one time rented. That's why the whole category has only one rental. The drama category has 3 movies. The first movie is rented 2 times, the second 2 times, and the third is rented 1 time. So total rentals in that category is 5, whereas the overall rentals in Void is 12. The query summarizes the rental frequency for movies within different categories. It displays movie title along with the category name, showing the total number of rentals within the category. Additionally, we get a grand total that's displayed for all rentals in the database, right? And it's grouped by the category name and the movie title, of course, and it's then ordered by the category name alphabetically in ascending order. That's all. Well, each row provides valuable insights into movie rental patterns, helping users access the category, popularity, and overall rental demand. Yep. Thank you.
Hello, this is Manjot from Group 6, and I'll be explaining the part of the report that I have done. So, the first part would be actor report. So, this query would produce a report of actors and all the movies they have acted in. The functions I've used are join, single row function, and sort row function, which we have used the order by clause to sort the rows. So let's start. Here, so in this table, we will have two columns. First one would be a concatenation of first name and last name from Tim actor table, and we would name it actor name. The second one would use movie title from Tim movies, and we would name this column movie name. Here we have joined three tables: Tim actors, Tim movie actors, and Tim movies. For the first join, we have used the actor ID as the foreign key, and for the second join, we have used the movie ID as the foreign key. All of this data is ordered by actor name. For the second query, this is an income report which would show the total number of rentals each customer has done and the rental value they provide. And at last, we would also provide the grand total, which would be the total number of rentals done by all the customer and total revenue generated by all the customers. The function we have used here are join, group function, and OLAP. So in this clause, we'll have four columns. First one is customer ID from Tim's customer table. The second one is the concatenation of first name and last name of customer from Tim customer table, and we will use the customer name as the column name. The third column would be we will use a count function here, which is an aggregate function. This would count the number of rows in customer ID from Tim rentals table, and we would name this table total rental revenue. Sorry, total rentals. And for the last column, we would use a sum function, which would add up all the prices from Tim rentals table, and we would name this column total rental value. Here we have joined two tables. First one is Tim customer, and the second one is Tim rentals. The customer ID is the foreign key over here, and we have used the group by roll up, which would basically create the subtotal rows and the grand total rows and the grand total row that we talked about, which will add all the number of rentals and all the revenue generated. Again, this data is ordered by customer ID from Tim customer table. So this would be the last one, movie rating. It will display all the movies along with their average rating. The function we have used here are join, group function, and sort rows. We have created two columns here. The first one is movie title, movie name, for which we would use movie title from Tim movies table. In the second one, we have again used an aggregate function known as average, AVG, which would take the star rating column from Tim Rentals and average all the data provided in it. We would name this column average rating. We have left joined two tables here. The first one is Tim movies and the second one is Tim Rentals. Movie ID would be the foreign key here. And again, this data is grouped by movie title from Tim movies and ordered using the average rating column we have used. And this would be done in the descending order.
Hello, my name is Khushpreet Kaur. I'm going to explain my three reports in this video. So, my first report is the movie by director. So, in this code, the consumer find this report useful since they provide a list of movies directed by a specific individual, which can be utilized for independent study. This report accurate the gathering of relevant information, enhance the ability to make informed decisions regarding film selections or directive preference. Furthermore, customers find this report helpful since since they offer a list of films that have been directed by a particular person, which may be used for personal research. This procedure expands of the particular data for educated decision making with respect of film choice or directing inclinations. And my second report is movies by category. The user is promoted to enter a to the user is promoted to enter a category name by the SQL script. It inquired the database tables, team movies, team movie category, and team categories to get movie that fall within the entered category using ID. Using IDs, the join action movies with the appropriate categories. And the customer find this report useful since they offer a short list of movie, make it easier um, make it easier to navigate and choose films based on particular taste or interest. By making it easier to navigate and choose films based on particular taste or interest. By making it easier to discover the content quickly, this procedure improve user experience and raise satisfaction and engagement with the movie catalog. And here is my third report named Popular Movies. In this report, the top three most relevant movies are from the database using this SQL query. And the SQL query following a join on the movie ID, the team rentals and team movies database are grouped by movie title. The amount of time each movie has been listed in determined using the count star function. Only the top three rows are uh, retrieved after the results are arranged in descent order by the number of rentals. Customer can make better decision uh, when rental movie by using these reports, which highlights popular movie choice among the rentals. Customers can find popular or trending titles by recognize commonly rental movies, which improve their happiness with the selection of movies available for rent and their rental experience. So here are my three reports which I have made and trying to explain my reports. And thank you.
Hello guys, this is Dipanshu Bagga, and today I'm going to show you the SQL queries that I have created. So the first and the report plans, three report plans that I have created as well. So the first of all, this query, it shows the role played by the actor in certain movies, and it the to run the query, first the user is prompted for the name of the certain actor that he or she wants to see the movies for, and after that I have selected the field movie title and actor role from the tables Tim Movies and Tim Movie Actor respectively, and I also have given them the aliases of movie and role. So and I have created a join on Tim Movie as this is the and for the field movie ID as this is the primary key of those tables. So the Tim Movies the movie ID in Tim Movies should equal the movie ID in Tim Movie Actor, and another joint that I have created is I have created on Tim Actor and Tim Movie Actor dot actor ID is equal to Tim Actor dot actor ID as that those are the primary keys for the actors as well. And after that, I have given it a condition. So it selects it selects the actor of it selects the actor as the uh, which is the actor name given by the user in the prompt that we have used above, and it selects all the queries and select all the movies according to that. And after that, this query is off. And this is for the first one. For the second one, um, this is to show the wish list of any customer that the user wants. So the first of all, the user is prompted for the customer name as usual, and after that, so I have selected movie title field, just the movie title for the movies that the user has a wish list for, and this is from Tim Movies, and I have created two joins. So the first join is on the table wish list, and the second join is on table Tim customer. So for the first join, I have used movie ID as that is the primary, as those are the primary keys, and it should be equal in both the team movies and team wishlist table. And other than that, I have created for the join on the team customer table. I have added customer ID is equal to customer ID as that is the identifier for the customers, and for the condition the first name and the last name should first name and last name of the customer, and I have joined them using a string concatenation, and yeah, that is equal to customer name. That is pretty much it for this report plan. And for report plan 3, I am showing the details of movies. For first of all, this I'm using I have I'm picking up the movie title field, the first name, last name as director, and first name, last name of the actor, and the actor and the role that the actor played in that movie. This is also on Tim Movies, and so I have created four joins in this. First join is on Tim Movie Director, the second is on Tim Director, the third is on Tim Movie Actor, and the fourth is on Tim Actor. So I have used movie ID for the first one. Second for the second one, I have used director ID as those are the primary keys to identify the director. For the third one, I have used movie ID again because that is used to identify the actors in a certain movie. And yeah, for the last one to actually see the actors, I have used actor ID as that is used to identify the actors in a certain movie. So yeah, that is pretty much it for all my report plans. And thank you for watching and yeah, have a good day.